What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. Yeah, I know, of course y'all know RedFox is basically done, except probably some engine stuff a little later, change out the rear end, a couple of little odds and ends on this bad boy right here, and I'm gonna be pretty much done with it. The interior, of course, is completely finished. I'm doing nothing else to the interior because I'm digging these OEM seats. I am. I mean, maybe later on down the line I'll switch them out or something and put something more aggressive in there, you know, like some Brom or something else. But for right now, I'm rocking those since they're in very good shape. And just a quick walk around of RedFox sitting out here. All this after Ford takeover, of course. And these are the wheels that go on it right now. The ESR, I think it's SR01s, I think. But yeah, these are the ones that I had on the Cobra, you know, and they look good. Don't get me wrong, I do love them. The wifey bought those for me for the Cobra on my birthday. But thing is, I'm kind of digging the NVX SVE wheels, and my homie Randy's got some, and we're gonna try to see how we're gonna try them on there to see how they look. And we're over at Brandon's shop right now, and we're gonna try to get these at least one side mounted so I can see how these NVXs look on here, and decide if I want to get a set of those or not. Because to me, myself, I think those will look great on this thing, because I like to see like when I'm looking at a reflection of myself, of course, when I'm driving by, looking at the wheels and seeing them actually move. So we're gonna get the car, we're gonna get RedFox pulled into the shop and get these things, or at least one side taken off and the other side, and we're gonna probably leave them like that just to see how these things look and decide whether or not we're gonna sell these things or rock them.
Several days later.
All right. All right, got the SVEs mounted, and y'all, well, first off, let me ask Randy and Brandon what they think about them.
Fellas, what y'all think? Y'all like them?
Well, they're Randy's wheels. He was nice enough to come out on this hot Alabama morning and let me check out what he had, and let me try his wheels on RedFox. So without further ado, here's how they look. At least the driver's side, that's what I did. I didn't want to throw them all the way around. I just want to see how the driver's side look, but here it is.
To me, I love them. I think this is getting ready to happen. And I love how it's open, where you can show off your brake calipers just a little bit more. Yeah, I know I got to do a little bit of brake rotor work, because where the rotor is actually not in contact with the brake pad, I'm going to do something with that, because that looks disgusting. But yeah, but the thing is, with those other wheels on there, you couldn't really see that. But with the 5-spoke wheel, it's more open and you can see them. And I'm definitely gonna rock those Brembos that I got and put on here, and those will look excellent on here. But I do love it. Love the look, love the stance of them. It's even tucked in a little bit in the front. And on the back, same thing, just ever so slightly. Just a little bit. But these are 9s on the front and 10s in the rear. And as you know, I had 9.5s in the front and 10.5s in the rear. So this is actually going to be a little bit better fit than the ESR wheels. So yeah, definitely going to get them because I like the way this looks. Very good look. I love the more open look to it. And definitely going to do the rear brakes. So I have 4 disc brakes all the way around. But yeah, loving that. If anybody else has got a set of these NVXs on their 85, 86 Fox, shoot me a picture, man, because I have not seen anybody rocking these at all. And like Brandon said, heck, I might be the first one to do it. Don't know, but I'm gonna rock these things anyway. So, a little short video on what was going on with RedFox, and seriously, I'm digging these right here. So, until we talk again, peace out.
Thank you, and good night, 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 and good night.